The centre has announced a 3,795 crore budgetary outlay for rail development projects in Kerala for the financial year 2026-27. The announcement was made by Union Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw. The project-wise allocations are yet to be released. The Railways later clarified that this amount does not reflect actual spending for the next year, but instead represents the total cumulative cost of various railway works currently underway in the state. The announcement triggered protests in Parliament, where Congress MP K.C. Venugopal and other opposition MPs from Kerala accused the union budget of being anti-Kerala. While the Kerala government has not issued a direct response addressing the centre's clarification on the 3,795 crore figure, the state continues to push for stronger central support on ongoing and future rail initiatives. This includes its recent attempts to secure approval for modern rail corridors and its ongoing concerns about funding and project inclusion. At the same time, several centre-backed projects continue to await faster land acquisition by the state, a challenge frequently highlighted by the Railway Ministry. The announcement comes at a time when public sentiment in Kerala is marked by frustration over perceived underallocation for major infrastructure projects. Over recent years, Kerala has often expressed disappointment at delays, limited new project approvals and its exclusion from national high-speed rail corridors, all of which have contributed to a broader sense of neglect. On the high-speed rail proposal, the Rail Minister said the centre has extended full support to technocrat E. Sridharan, assuring that a high-speed rail line will eventually come to Kerala. However, no timeline has been specified. The Railway Minister said a fresh letter will be sent to the Kerala Chief Minister urging faster land acquisition to ensure timely execution of these projects. Meanwhile, Southern Railway said that infrastructure projects worth over 18,000 crore are currently underway across Kerala. These include station redevelopment, track upgrades and safety enhancement works. Under the Amrit Station scheme, 35 stations have been selected across the state for modernization. Over the past 12 years, Kerala has added 125 kilometers of new railway tracks, reflecting a steady though gradual improvement in connectivity. Kerala's call for improved railways investment stretches back decades. Chronic delays in land acquisition, long pending projects like the Sabri rail line, first sanctioned in the late 1990s, and the state's exclusion from national high-speed corridors have shaped persistent concerns. Despite its dense population and heavy dependence on rail travel, Kerala has often argued that its allocation trail behind those of neighboring states. These historical challenges continue to influence public and political reactions to each new budget announcement.